Welcome to Boyo Cutting Tools. I'm Ian, and today I will guide you through our complete production process, from start to finish. Let's dive in. Our journey begins with powder preparation, where raw materials seamlessly blend to form the foundation of our products. Boyo produces a wide range of grades to achieve various characteristics such as hardness, toughness, and transverse rupture strength. Tailored for different applications, samples undergo rigorous quality checks in the lab. Here is our mold shop. All the molds are made by ourselves. Next, we move to the pressing and forming process. Here, raw materials are shaped with precision and care, laying the groundwork for superior performance. The process is fully automated, with each inset meticulously weighed and visually inspected by operators at regular intervals. Now, let's take a look at our sintering furnaces. The pressed insets undergo hardening in these HIP sintering ovens for approximately 24 hours at temperature around 1,500 degrees. Boyo's engineers possess extensive experience in calculating precise sintering shrinkage. Insets are individually ground using various types of grinding machines to achieve exact size, geometry, and tolerances. Final is coating process. The majority of insets undergo coating, either through CVD or PVD methods. Here, we demonstrate a PVD process. All Boyo products undergo strict quality controls by experienced professionals before shipment. They are manually inspected once again, 100% before being laser marked and packed. From raw materials to finish the masterpieces, Boyo Cutting Tools continues to deliver reliable and consistently high-quality parts to customers worldwide.